products video. Or products I regret buying, products I didn't like, products that didn't work for me video. I have only a few products here. There's like 5. I'm gonna tell you why I don't like them and offer like other suggestions of things I would recommend getting instead. So if you guys like these type of videos, please give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified of any new videos. And without further ado, let's get into the products that I did not like. So the first product is these Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Removing Towelettes. And there's a few reasons I didn't like this. One, they dry out so fast. So fast. I don't really love this type of packaging with just this little sticker because I feel like they just dry out so quickly. However, my favorite makeup wipes, which are these ones, the Kirkland, they usually have like the hard lid, but when you get the travel pack, they do come up with the sticker. The thing I like about that is the sticker really adheres nicely, and then your product stays nice and saturated and moist, for a lack of better words. This one, it does not stick very well because the sticker is so tiny that once you open it, it doesn't really close and seal back up very nicely, so they dry out really fast. The other thing is this doesn't get off any of my makeup. If I try to remove my makeup with this, it does nothing. Like, it definitely doesn't get my eye makeup off. It maybe gets some of my foundation off, but it really doesn't get my makeup off very well. This would be a product, it says it removes makeup and cleanses and soothes, but it doesn't remove my makeup. This would be something like maybe you would use after you've already washed your face, and maybe the next morning you use it to kind of wipe your face, but I don't ever use my makeup wipes like that. So I have a ton of these because I have been sent this many times, but I do not like it for removing my makeup. I kind of just use it for swatches now because I don't want to use my really nice ones for removing swatches. So I would not purchase these ones because they just don't work for removing makeup. But I would purchase the Kirkland ones because these are phenomenal. I've used them for probably 5 or 6 years, and they do a wonderful job. They're super saturated, so they really do take off all your makeup. They're non-irritating. They're really, really good. So this one was a no-go for me. Next is this Covergirl Peacock Flare Mascara. The packaging, I guess, is kind of cute. I do like a lot of Covergirl mascaras. This is not one of them. First of all, the formula is so dry. It is so incredibly dry. I feel like it has this rubber wand. They're so tiny, I don't feel like they really grab my lashes very well. And the formula is like moussey yet dry. So I feel like you put it on and it doesn't really do anything for my lashes. It doesn't lengthen, doesn't volumize, doesn't curl or help hold a curl. It does nothing. It's just like this weird dry mousse. Doesn't do anything for my lashes. For another alternative for mascara, if you're looking for a drugstore, the Lash Paradise is really good by L'Oreal, or this Maybelline Total Temptation is really good. I feel like it lengthens, it thickens, it volumizes my lashes. It's also a regular bristle wand or natural bristle. So I feel like it really grabs and coats your lashes nicely. If you want a high-end mascara, the Too Faced Better Than Sex is my favorite. But this, I'd pass on. It's too dry, which I don't like a super wet mascara either, but this is too dry, too moussey, did absolutely nothing for my lashes, so I'd pass on this one. Next is this Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. No. So it's this orange cream. First of all, it's like super thick. Like, I'm pushing real hard to get that out. So it's this very bright orange cream, which usually I like a nice orange toned salmon-y thing for, under my eyes. This is a massive no. First of all, it dries under my under eyes so tight that it looks like I have extremely dehydrated under eyes. So it dries it down to a very uncomfortable tightening feel, which I guess that's no more baggage. It doesn't depuff though. It just makes it feel super dry and super tight. And then it accentuates all the fine lines because it's so tight that I look like I have way more fine lines than I actually do. And then trying to put on concealer or anything over this, it just clings and it looks horrible. First Aid Beauty one is amazing. It's the Triple Eye Remedy. It has a nice metal cooling tip. It is a nice salmon cream. It hydrates the under eyes. It depuffs. It covers up some dark circles. This was no for me. It is too tightening. It accentuates too much of my fine lines. It leaves a very weird orange weird orange under my eyes that shows through my foundation and concealer, and it just does not look good. So this is a no-go for me. The next is from Covergirl. This is the Katy Perry Covergirl glosses, the Katy Cat gloss. Now, they sent a bunch of them, a ton of different colors. This was really the only color that kind of intrigued me or I really liked, and it's in the shade, what are you called? Catalope. Okay, Catalope. I don't like the smell. I think it's supposed to be vanilla. I don't know. I'm not big on the smell. The doe foot applicator is nice. The color is pretty, but this gloss is so gloopy. It is so thick. It is just sticky and gloopy, and it's one of those, isn't that color so pretty? It's one of those glosses that will start to ball up and leave the center of your lips and kind of ball up on the outer part, and then you get the strings. You know when you go, and then there's the strings, you get that with this gloss. They're all like that. Gloopy, gloppy, sticky, no. The color's so pretty though, so it's a bummer because I liked that. That was the only color I liked out of the whole collection. Oh, and once you wipe the gloss away, because you're gonna put it on, it's gonna be gloopy, gloppy, and you're gonna get strings. When you wipe it away, you get a ton of glitter stuck all over your lips. So you can feel the glitter. It's not like a fine glitter. It's just, ugh, the formula of this is so bad. Sorry. The ColourPop ones are so nice. Like this looks kind of similar. This is the new Shayla one, the ColourPop and Shayla in Neat Freak. Beautiful gloss, feels great on the lips. If you're wanting to spend like a little bit more money, these new Becca glosses are phenomenal. They're not gloopy, they're not thick, they don't give you that weird like separation on your lips. I actually like these ones more than my Marc Jacobs enamored glosses, which you guys know I've been obsessed with for years. I really, really like these. So I'd recommend checking those out over these ones. Next I got in like a deluxe sample, and it is from Tarte. It is the Rainforest of the Sea Radiance Drops, which I was very excited to try because I contemplated buying this many times. I'm so thankful I didn't. This is just like the little small size, so you give it a good shaky shake. I'll just shake it extra good. All right, this is so oily. I would never put this on my face. Like, it's like straight oil. Like, this is so oily and greasy. Like, this would never touch my face. Like, look at that. It is so oily. There's really not too much of a sheen to it. Like, you look at this and you think, ooh, pretty, like Marc Jacobs like drops, or the Cover FX drops. No, it is like straight oil with like a little bit of glitter in it. Oh, look at that. It's so bad. So this, I'm so thankful I did not buy the full size. I'm thankful I just got a little deluxe free sample because it is oily and ugh, I don't like it. They're Radiance drops. No thank you. I will pass. No thank you. If you are looking for Radiance drops or highlighter drops, I would definitely recommend the Cover FX ones are fantastic. There is the coconut ones from Marc Jacobs. Those liquid highlighters are super pretty. If you're looking for like something like this to use on your body as a body oil, the like Bum Bum, the brand that makes Rio de Janeiro, I think is what it's called, or Sol de Janeiro, they just came out with some that are amazing. I'd definitely spend my money on that. This is just so oily and really, there's not a shimmer to it. It's just like straight oil with a few glitter flecks. So I definitely check out those depending on what you're wanting to use them for. I would check out those other ones I just mentioned. All right, the last thing, this might be a little controversial because I know a lot of people really like these. They're just not super creamy for me, if I'm gonna be honest. It's the Marc Jacobs eyeliners. Now their lip liners I love, and I feel like their lip liners are creamy. This is the black pencil. It's not that black. Look at it, it's like, that's not that black. And it's not really creamy. Like, the pencil is not creamy. When I try to use this on my waterline, it tugs so bad. I try to use this on my lash line, it tugs. It's just not creamy, it doesn't glide nicely. And I've realized, like, I'm like, why don't I use that? Why don't I use that? Because I have so much of it left. And it's because it tugs at my eye. It's just not, it doesn't have a nice glide to it. It's not super rich and black. I don't find that it like is lasting very long in my waterline. I feel like I had a small sample size and I really loved it, which is why I bought the full size, but this just, it's never worked well for me. So I don't know if I got an old one when I bought it at Sephora and it's like dried out, but I mean, it doesn't look dried out. Like, look at the difference of this, and I'm pushing pretty hard. Like, you can see I'm definitely pushing hard versus like this one, which is by Ardent In. I'm gonna do a light, this is lightly. Look at how much darker and black that is. I barely pushed, and look how hard I pushed on that one to try to get pigment. Super black, not so black, tugs a lot. So if you need a good liner for your waterline, this is the one I would recommend. It's very good, it's very black, it stays in your waterline really nicely. So I would definitely recommend checking those out if you need a good liner. Okay, so that is it for my products that I didn't like or regret buying, or products that are like, oh, that's not good. So if you guys like these type of videos where I show you the products I didn't like and give you like an alternative that I really do like, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments. Or if you just like the crap style videos where I just mention that I don't like them and why, let me know too. So what do you prefer? Do you prefer just like my old style where I just talk about the products I don't like? Or do you like this one where I offer like a good alternative to the products that I don't like? Let me know down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!